Well, it is a Friday and I am back in the office. I was in Carbon County, Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania today, representing a client. Now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey, getting ready to see some clients in the afternoon session. We did come out with our weekly e-update, which went out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic articles this week. One of the articles that I feature in the e-update is what to do if police come to your home or place of business to arrest you. That they have an arrest warrant and it's at a critical time, and it's important that if that happens to you or a friend that you react appropriately, because I can assure you that police and the prosecution will try to use that reaction during that initial police contact for the purposes of bail and or trial if it gets that far. Now remember that bail in Pennsylvania is based on the traditional cash system, whereas in New Jersey they use a cashless bail system based on a public safety assessment that has to do with your risk of flight and risk of propensity toward violence. Pennsylvania uses the same type of system, but at the end of the day uses a cash system, so they can just set a high bail, whereas New Jersey will decide whether or not you should be released pending trial. Bail is important in both situations because if you don't have bail set appropriately, you could remain in jail for the majority of your case and up until trial, and that can be quite some time. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is Friday. The weather is supposed to be pretty good. Please don't drink and drive. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not consent to do not consent to the search of your person, but do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be a blood test or a breathalyzer test, otherwise known as the ACO test in New Jersey. You have the right to refuse the field sobriety test, but I would tell the officer why you're refusing it, because again, they may use that as consciousness of guilt. With regards to your interaction with the officer, be polite, be respectful, but do not give consent to search your person or the vehicle. Again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Finally, with regards to firearms, remember your Pennsylvania gun does not belong in New Jersey. If you are traveling into New Jersey, remember that it's almost virtually impossible to have a permit to carry in the state. If you don't have a permit to carry and you are found with a gun or firearm in the state of New Jersey, they will charge you with illegal possession of a gun, which carries with it a mandatory 42-month state minimum prison sentence. Very, very important that you understand that. I can't tell you how many clients are simply unaware that that is the case in New Jersey, not a charge that you want to face in New Jersey. Pennsylvania does not have mandatory minimums, but is nevertheless a felony to carry a gun without a permit in Pennsylvania. So have a great weekend. And once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website, gambonelaw.com. As always, just a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.